What's going on, guys? Saying hello, JV61320. Right here, California, Hesperia. Another quick video how to make your life easier when you're doing swaps like this kind. It needs a lot of attention. Right now, I was putting the innovative mount, the passenger side innovative mount. I just want to give you quick tips to put it really easy. You don't have to struggle too much. Simple. Take out your mount, lift the engine a little bit up, just a little bit up. Always put a piece of wood. Don't go directly to the crank because you can damage the crank. If you do mechanics, you know what I'm talking about. Then loose everything. And then when you're gonna put it, you're gonna start screwing these two screws. Align it, screw it by hand, and then start going little by little. Then you take the other two, that one and that one, the big one, and screw it little by little. Don't screw it all the way down. And then you're gonna start pushing the engine a little bit to the right. If you're looking the engine from the front of the car, and it's going to be by itself. Don't screw it all the way like, don't, try to use impact, but really easy, to don't damage the threads. After that, everything's fine. One quick tip: that ground can be eliminated. Don't eliminate that ground. That ground is the ground for the injectors and all these components. If you delete it, you're gonna have a lot of issues with your car. Just take it out from that base, from there, go right here, put it right here to this ground right here. Simple thing like that. That's it. We have to put that because I already stepped on the gas with this engine, the J37, and man, feel like the whole engine is gonna take out of the car. Yeah. On the front, we got the Hasport. Why not innovative? Because I don't want a lot of vibration inside the car. And this one don't vibrate a lot. But right here, we got our friend innovative mount. On the rear, I got the OEM. I don't want to change it for now. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. And that's it for now, man. Thank you for watching YouTube. JV61320, Hesperia, California. See ya later, my bros.